Hey guys, today we're making multivitamin snacks that taste delicious and you can eat it anytime you want. So it has protein and omega-3. So let's look at the ingredients. First we have some sattu or roasted chickpea powder. It has protein. Then we have some sugar and cardamom for taste. We have some cashews and some hemp seeds, which are full of protein and omega-3s. We also have tahini sauce, which we buy in bulk. So the roasted chickpea powder, cardamom, and the sugar has all been ground up. So we're adding some tahini to it. Next, we're adding some hemp seeds to add omega-3 and even more protein. Then you mix it all up. Mix it evenly. Then you take the mixture and roll it up into balls. Don't know if I should say that. I like cylinders, kind of. Then you roll it to make it a perfect shape. Then you put in a cashew. Ta-da! Looks so cute. It's like a little moon. Perfect. So good. Hey guys, today we're making a multivitamin